Hey, I'm Nick with Table 19 Media. If you are a real estate agent or a property manager, maybe even you have your own vacation rental or home sharing property, and you want to sell or rent your property, you need to have professional looking photos that are bright and vibrant. As a professional photographer for almost a decade, I've shot hundreds of millions of dollars worth of real estate for agents, property managers, and individual owners of vacation properties. I've seen so many times where a property needs to get listed quickly and the agent or owner has to snap a few photos with their phone because there is no time to get a photographer because they are booked or renters are coming in tomorrow or even that afternoon. I totally get it. But because of those kind of situations, so many times the agent, property manager, or owner in desperation take some photos with their phone to at least have something. And these photos usually end up being crooked, dark, out of focus, and not framed well to portray the property in the best way. I don't want that to be you or your property. I started giving presentations to real estate offices on how to use their smartphones to take bright and vibrant photos that look professional. It quickly became my most requested presentation, so I've put that whole presentation and more into the Mobile Photography for Real Estate course. This course is specifically designed with real estate agents, property managers, and vacation rental owners in mind to take them from start to finish how to shoot beautiful photos of properties and edit them for a bright and vibrant look, all on your smartphone. You'll learn the entire workflow you need to take your smartphone and confidently capture photos of your property. You may think you are not techie enough, but this course is not made for photographers. It's made for anyone that wants to be empowered to take professional looking photos for their real estate properties on their own. I go step by step through each module, and you can stop and rewatch anything you need to again. Plus, you can ask questions throughout the course, and I'll make sure you get the answers to your questions. Listen, you can spend close to $1,000 on a camera, equipment, and software to shoot and edit photos, or spend $100 to $200 or more on a photographer for every shoot. Or you can use the smartphone that's already in your pocket. I want you to be empowered to take your own photos with the Mobile Photography for Real Estate course. Click the link below to get started.